I am going to eat this football because it isn't a football, but a giant puffball. It's a mushroom, and here I show you how I found them in a meadow. Stopped the car, picked the two puffballs, and took them home. You can still eat them when the flesh on the inside is nicely white. If it gets olive brown, then the spores are ripening and you shouldn't eat them anymore. They have a leathery surface and that you should remove before cooking. I like pure flavors, so I made some little blocks of the puffball and it tastes really good just with pepper, salt, and a few potatoes, and it was really like very soft chicken meat. So these slices have been in the fridge for 2 weeks, and then I got them out and we make a schnitzel of it. So again, some pepper, salt, and put them in meal and flour, and then in the egg, and then we bake them for a couple of minutes on both sides. It's said on the internet it has a few little flavor, but no, I don't agree. I really like it. It's also said that they can contain heavy metals, so these come from a very nice area in meadows, not cities, not much traffic, so I don't have such thoughts. Very interesting for vegetarians, and it is really amazing. It's a very nice mushroom to eat. So, as said, I like the flavor. You can find them in summer and in autumn. Yeah. So, have fun out there. Try it at home. Enjoy nature. And I see you in a next Zoo
Also,
Wild
wenn das
YouTube.
zu dicke
Take
ist,
care. Bye bye.
kannst du zweimal, dreimal durchklopfen lassen. So ein bisschen, dass das saftiger wird.